Jewelry-inspired footwear is becoming a major trend in the Instagram era, and Nike continues to tap into that visual movement with the Nike Air Max 90 Lucky Charms in white and gold. This release adds fashion-forward details to one of Nike's most iconic silhouettes, giving it strong lifestyle appeal. The shoe is dressed in a clean all-white base, built with classic Air Max 90 materials including mesh, leather, rubber, and EVA. What sets this pair apart is the removable gold jewelry charm that can be attached to either side of the shoe, instantly adding a premium, eye-catching touch. Subtle upgrades also help elevate the design, such as padded nylon tongues and silver-white velour liners and insoles. Metallic gold Nike branding finishes the look with a refined contrast. The Nike Air Max 90 Lucky Charms released alongside an ash green colorway and is available now through Nike.com, making it a standout option for casual wear today.